Greetings everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Lady Starfire and I'm here to bring you some more witchy tips. Today I want to talk to you about herbal code words. Alright, so I have majorly shortened this list. Some of them I find relatively funny because there's a lot of them out there. What this is talking about is back in the way olden days, people didn't have all the names for plants. So they called them based on what they looked like. And that way they could send their, teenage daughter out or something to go, and go find the certain type of plant that they needed. And that way they brought back the right thing. And so by giving it a name of what it looked like, it helped them to find it. Especially, of course, most of the time they usually took them out, I'm sure, and told them, but still, so you go find the one. And of course, this got made very popular by Shakespeare, so it just, a lot of people think that witches are killing animals to get their eyes or their tail or their tongue or their whatever, okay? Oh, come on, people. Y'all know better than that. So, unfortunately, some of them don't. So that's why we're here to dispel all of that stuff. Now, granted, I do teach people, come up with your own little codes if you want for your spell recipes, because you don't want somebody finding it and knowing what you do. Just make sure that you know what all this means. Okay? So, anyway, I'm going to read these because there's no way to remember all of them. And like I said, and this is nowhere near all. These are just some of the ones that I thought were a little more fun. Okay? So, anyway, here we go with our herbal code words. Okay, we have adder's tongue. The actual plant is called dog's tooth violet. So obviously the plant looks like an adder tongue. Ass's foot or bull's foot. Okay, so no, they're not going out. They're cutting the feet off of these animals. The herb is called colt's foot. Bat's wings. It's holly. Bat's wool is moss. Bear's foot. Yeah, we're going to go cut the feet off all these bears, right? Because we need some herb. Yeah. Let's see. Sorry. Lady's mantle. Beggar's buttons. That's an interesting one, is it not? It's burdock. Bird's foot. Fenugreek. Blood. Okay. Everybody thinks that they're dropping blood in things. It is elder sap, or any sap of any other tree that maybe happen to be nearby or available. Blood of a goose. It's mulberry tree's milk. Bloody finger. Foxglove. Church steeples. Now, how in the world are you going to use a steeple off of a church in a spell, right? Very simple. It's acrimony. Ear of an ass. Comfrey. And one of the most famous ones of all, eye of newt. It's simply wild mustard seed. Fairy's finger. Foxglove. Notice the finger from the other one. Fingers deal with foxglove. 100 eyes. Periwinkle. Rabbit's foot. Field clover. Tears of a baboon. Yeah, I want to see somebody go get those. Dill juice. Wolf foot. Bugleweed. Worms. Gnarly, thin roots of a local tree. Okay, so. I find those to be kind of fun. All right. But it's like, some people are taught to believe that we actually take these things from animals and birds and things to do spells, and it's simply not true. Okay? So now this list is when it talks about a specific animal and what herb that refers to. Okay? Blue jay is bay laurel. Cat is catnip. Dog is couchgrass. Eagle, wild garlic. Frog, cinquefoil. Hawk, hawkweed. Lamb is lettuce. Lizard, caluminate. Sure, that's a hard one. Nightingale is hops. Rat is valerian. Go figure. Toad is sage. Weasel, rue. Woodpecker, peony. And when a specific part of an herb is needed, and to be used in something, they're referred to as a body part. All right. So this is some notes to help you to understand, what part of the plant is used when you see one of these things and it's using a body part, as we talked about before, with the fingers and all that. The eye is the inner part of the blossom. Paw, foot, leg, wing, or toe is the leaf. Guts is the roots and stalk. Private, we all know what private is, right? Yes, is the seed. Go figure. That fits, right? Fertility. Hair is the dried stringy herbs. Tail is the stem. Head is the flower. Tongue is the petal. Heart is a bud or seed. Okay? When we break it all down, maybe it takes some of the fun out of it, but it helps you to understand and helps you to educate people that are out there going, oh, witches are always killing things for their parts. No, we're not. It's all herbs. Okay? And they just found ways to help to understand what it is. So it's easier to say, use the eye of that flower, okay, as opposed to, getting into all the different little things or something. So that way, it narrows it all down and, it was just easier for them. Okay. So, do some research, learn some of the other ones if you want. They're fun. Okay. It's just, the old ways of doing things, and you can come up with your own if you want. All right. Just be sure you have a log of it somewhere in case you forget. All right. So anyway, I hope y'all have fun with this. If you do, be sure to hit that like for me and subscribe if you haven't, and leave me comments. Let me know, what do you think about all the herbal code words of old? All right. And if there's something else that y'all would like to see me do in a video, please leave me a message in the comments, and I'll be happy to get to it just as quickly as I can. So anyway, everyone have fun. All right. And go learn, pay attention when you're looking at flowers and plants, and kind of, pay attention to this list and see how much you learn to help you to define things. Okay. So anyway, everyone have a wonderful, blessed day. And until the next time, blessed be.